I'm not sure, bro.
I'm gonna come up a little bit.
Yeah. Look for the remote. No, dirt. Okay, scratch it into here. The remote has controller drift, and I didn't want to take it apart, but the remote's not even working anyway, so if it breaks, it breaks. I'll just put it.
Are you recording yourself doing it?
Well, I'm trying to fix it, yeah. Why you being a hater, bro? I mean, yeah.
On Netflix?
Yeah, anything, bro, just anything decent.
No, bro, this shit's stuck. This thing is gone.
What? When it's not the remote, then
It is that remote.
try the volume first.
Controlling it just.
No.
Turn it on.
Hold on. Nice work, well, bro. Oh, there's a better one. There it is. This one. A bit thicker.
Prime Video. Oh. You like pets too?
Sure.
Mom, look at this.
I can't see it, baby.
Look.
I can't see. It's too dark.
Oh, look. Not too dark.
He's behind me, isn't it? I can feel his breath. Our entire litter is ours.
You're too close to my face, baby. Crazy.
That's cool, right?
Yeah, it's funny.
Wait, you go like this, you like his tummy, right?
Yeah. I see where it snaps in there. Shit. Shit. Bitch, it's gonna come off, bitch. Open the fuck up. There we go. Now to take the other fucking side off if this fucking side comes off. There we go. Come on, come on. There we go. No, don't go back in, you piece of shit. There we go. There we go. Something was broken. Nice. Fuck. Alright. Now. This kid has that shit. There we go. Look at that. This is just one. Okay, there we go. We'll figure that one out right now. Okay, so let's pop this one off now. Kind of saw how it's just like up, boom. Let's try this side. There we go. There's like it snaps back in all the way there. Come on. There it goes. Alright. Okay. The remote hasn't worked anyway, so again, if we mess it up, fuck it. Right now it's Christmas time, so if we fuck it up, I'll get another one too. No worries. Let's see if this one works for it. It's gonna work. But you know what? Let me see. I think it's for something else. No, it's for the whole thing right here. I think this pops out right too. Yeah, I think that just pops off as well. Yeah.
Dad,
I love you.
Dad.
What's up?
Yesterday you drank my damn Powerade?
The one with the supplements?
Yes.
I threw it out. It was already ugly. You can't leave them there for too long.
Actually?
I mean, it'll make you. I wouldn't think to take them again, bro. It'll probably make you feel a little sick, you know?
They won't do anything.
I would think not to. I mean, if you have more there, so much more, why even waste? Why even risk it? Love you. What's up?
I love Chase cat.
Hmm?
I love Chase cat.
Who's cat's that?
Chase?
Who's that?
Like, remember he broke up with you?
Mm-hmm.
And I wish I want to take this cat.
Something, because then this is gonna have to come on. It's gotta be this, bro. This is gotta be fucking put on. Come on. Maybe it is. Alright, we got it spinning. That shit's fucking tight on there, bro.